So what's going on, everybody? Today I'm super excited because I'm going to be showing you the Secret Labs Dark Knight Edition Batman chair. We're going to be doing an unboxing and assembly video. So let's get started. First of all, I'd like to say they did an amazing job packaging this up. The assembly instructions are crystal clear. I mean, they show you pictures and step-by-step on what to do. They also give you how this thing works because this thing has multiple motions and different ranges of movement. So inside you're going to get this pamphlet here, and inside there's going to be two papers, one with your 2 free-year warranty and also some general aftercare and, you know, how to take care of your chair type of thing. There's also a little bit of information on different kind of upholstery care to make your, you know, chair last longer than 2 years. It's inspected and sealed for freshness. I'm gonna have to get some Batman underwear and stuff now. Like a ball, it's a memory foam pillow. Pillow. Suede. Piece of cardboard. Oh, these are all the pieces to finish it. Wheelies. No Batman on the bottom. No Batman down there. No Batman bag, I should say. Ugh. It's easier with 2 people. The seat base. Ooh, the Titan. Let me get out of this plastic. Oh, there's some levers. Alright, so I didn't really unbox this other box, but it's just a bunch of pieces for this thing. I think this goes on there too. Oh yeah. Oh, the Batman bag is a gangster. Look at that shit. The stitching's really nice too. Alright, so you unscrew the screws, I guess, off the side here. I just realized this Allen looks like a Phillips screwdriver too. He's going crazy. So, slide it like that. So one side's tight. After you finish putting the sides on, you're going to need to locate the base, and you're going to need to locate the package. And it'll have a couple screws, and it's the screws, the package that those screws came out of. Now you need to find the handles. And I guess there's some grooves in there you line up. Good. And slip it on there. Like I said before, the stitching on it is really nice. It's actually pretty comfy. It's like the perfect height on my head. The seat has multiple adjustments. It lets you recline pretty far back and all the way forward, just like you're in a car. Basically like you're in the passenger side. The armrest slides forward and back. It also turns maybe 45 degrees either or direction. And you can slide it in and out to make it adjust better for you. I really like it because it is multiple adjustments. There's also lumbar support here in the back. The seat also goes up and down further than most chairs that I've ever used before. On the other side here you can see you can lock it and hold it at whatever angle you'd like. So if you wanted it reclined back, you can leave it locked in that position. If you want it just a little bit, you can lock it there. I have the spring here really loose so I can tilt it back very easily. If you see here, I'm trying to tilt it back, maxed out tilt, and it's very hard to tip over or even try to tip over. You would be able to sleep in this very easily without ever worrying about tipping over. So if this helped you decide if you wanted one, please like and subscribe. Later.
Everybody.